BIS licensing and BIS monthly returns. At the outset, I wish to place and record my sincere appreciation to our guest speaker, Dr. C.B. Senthilkumar sir, Sectional Committee Member, MTD06, and Managing Director, Bluemount Castings Private Limited, for accepting our invitation and being with us today. I'm sure his expertise and experience in BIS standards will certainly enrich our knowledge and guide us on how to comply effectively with these requirements. As we all know, BIS licensing is just not a procedural formality. It is a quality assurance system that brings credibility, standardization, and market acceptance. That is the main part there. Similarly, monthly returns ensures transparency and accountability, quite like how we do GST returns. It become mandatory for our businesses. Understanding these compliances and requirements and their implication is extremely important for every foundry man to run today's. And I'm sure that today's session will help us to align better with statutory norms. I would also like to thank our colleagues from Bangalore chapter for joining hands with us to conduct this joint program. And I'm sure this collaboration between chapters not only strengthen our fraternity, but also creates larger impact on knowledge sharing. And special thanks to our annual sponsor 2526 for the Chennai chapter for their continuous support, which enable us to organize such a meaningful technical sessions for the benefit of our members. I'm confident that today's interaction with Mr. Dr. Senthilkumar will provide greater insights and also give some opportunities for feedback for the MTD06 committee, thereby enabling us to fine-tune the norms for the benefit of the entire foundry fraternity. With that, I once again welcome you all and look forward to engaging informative session. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman.
Will you introduce?
Yes, sir. Maybe.
Yeah, I think our treasurer, Mr. Siddharth, will introduce the speaker to the audience now.
Thank you, sir. As the chairman mentioned, this is Siddharth, Chennai chapter's treasurer, and I'm very honored to introduce my senior. I just spoke to him a little while ago from PSC College of Technology. So, Dr. C.B. Senthilkumar is a accomplished engineering leader and academic with over 33 years of extensive industrial experience in foundry, machine shop, and sheet metal fabrication. As managing director of Bluemount Castings Private Limited, a firm with a legacy spanning more than 7 decades, he combines deep expertise in manufacturing operations with a solid foundation in research and higher education. Dr. Senthilkumar holds a PhD in foundry engineering from NIT Trichy and has been recognized for his contributions as a doctoral committee member at Anna University, as well as a sectional committee member for metallurgical technology with the Bureau of Indian Standards. His professional journey is distinguished by global exposure, participation in international expos, and significant involvement in shaping industry standards and technical education. I once again thank Senthilkumar sir for his time to share his knowledge for this session, sir. Sir, the session is yours.
Thank you, Siddharth, and thank you, Chairman. Let me start my session now. The seminar today will be in 2 parts. One is the first part will be the licensing part, how to get a license. Then the second thing will be after getting the license, what to do with the monthly return and annual return. Certainly, it will not be very difficult for our members for monthly and annual returns because it's only the tonnage and value. So here I go with the starting of my session for a moment. BIS, the government of India has made it mandatory for certain products to get a license for sale, manufacture, and storing of certain products. Around 600 products have been brought inside the mandatory licensing procedure. And regarding IIF, it is iron castings and aluminum castings, which has been brought in 2023. Through IIF, we have taken 2 or 3 extensions, and right now those extensions are complete, and now people must have got licenses. And till now, for iron castings, about
Shailesh, make sure everybody's on mute.
for iron castings, it's about 293 licenses till date. People have already received. So what is a QCO means? It's a quality control order. It's a compulsory products manufactured, sold, imported or distributed has to get a BIS license. So when is the due date? The due date is already past due. Last year, March 1st was the due date for micro industries. That was the last category. So right now, people who are doing grain castings and aluminum castings have to get a license to sell castings inside India. For exports, it is not required. So these are the products which are already covered in the mandatory process. Cast iron manhole covers, cast iron ductile iron drainage pipes, malleable iron fittings, then cast iron single faced thimble mounted sluice gates, grain castings, which is most of our people are manufacturing, then vertically cast iron pipe for water, gas, and sewage. This is regarding the cast iron products. And this is regarding the aluminum products, aluminum ingots, aluminum castings, high purity primary aluminum, aluminum ingots for bearings, primary aluminum ingots for remelting, aluminum ingot billets, wires, all these things. And there are many products are also, now government is trying to bring more and more products. So regarding the most of the focus will be with the IS 210 gray and castings. Now recently, apart from the standard, there is something called product manual. When there is a mandate coming, we have to follow the product manual, which is the prima facie than the standard. So this product manual originally was issued in June 2020, has been upgraded. It had some faults in that, and now in June 2025 they have upgraded, and this has been released with a lot of concessions. So one of the product manual concession is, earlier it was a list of test equipment, it was something like mandatory, but now they have made it indicative. I have shown this. It's an indicative list and it's for only guidance purposes. And again, there will be a statement in the bottom also. They have given it's only to, the purpose is to guide the members. So in the product manual, there is something called the scheme of inspection and testing. So the manufacturer, that's the foundry, can define its lot size, whether they will do testing for 1 day once or 1 week once, like that they can decide. Some people will be having a 300 kg furnace, somebody will be having 4-ton furnace. So it will not be a common, if you see the standard, for every 500 kgs, you have to make a test bar, but it is not compulsory in the product manual, because it depends upon the manufacturer. They can decide their own lot size based on their, if most of them will be ISO 9000 certified, and their control plan will be already describing what will be the lot size and frequency of test, number of samples, everything will be already, they would have declared in the ISO 9000. So this has been brought to the attention of BIS and through IIF, and we were successful in getting such a concession. So it's much easier now. People can decide on their own frequency and sample size. And most of the control units given in the standard and in the product view are only for the guidance. and it is not mandatory. It has to go through the control plan of your ISU. So carrying out a test according to control plan is only an option. That is also been highlighted here. But one thing, all the manufacturers should comply with the Indian standard. This is what they are insisting right now. So how to ensure compliance through the testing? There may be subcontracting. Yes, there is a category called R, which is compulsory, and there's a category called S. So S is you can subcontract. For example, for MSMEs, tensile testing and hardness testing can be given to another lab, NABL accredited lab, and they can get it tested. So this concession has been recently given by the government. So if there are clusters of MSMEs, they can have a common testing center, which will be recognized by the BIS people, and that will be that is possible to. They'll be able to get it tested from the common facility center. Only large scale manufacturer, they need to maintain an in-house laboratory. Micro, small and medium need not have an in-house laboratory at all. And large scale also can share their, say in some remote locations in our country, the next lab will be 200, 300 kilometers away. So it will be difficult for the foundry to take the sample and get it tested. So government has given a concession, a large scale manufacturer who can test for others also is allowed. Only thing they have to get a empanelment from the BIS, which is a procedural thing. So a foundry in remote locations can get test from their neighboring large scale foundry. So this is also one more concession recently given by the government. So this is the table 1, which indicates what are all the requirements. Say for example, chemical composition, workmanship finish, microstructure, freedom from defects, tensile testing, harness testing, transverse test and hydrostatic. All these are different types of requirements. If you see, originally it was chemical composition and all will be R. Now they made it S. That means they can get it tested from outside. So microstructure also they can test it from outside. Freedom from defects is our visual inspection. Tensile testing they can allow outside. Harness testing is also they can do it outside. So transfers and hydrostatic test only if the customer requires, they need to test it. There was some classes in the beneath of the table earlier version. I have indicated it as a rectangle. Now that class itself is eliminated. That means those classes, what they have told is originally for everything you have to say if you want to get tested outside, you have to get approval from the local BIS office. So that class has been removed. Just intimate that you are going to test it outside. That's all. So many concessions have been shared by the BIS now. So these are the stages of getting a license. Getting a license, you have to go through certain stages. One is creating an account. It's something like creating a social media account, Facebook or anything. Then user profile creation, generating QR code, sending the samples for testing, then applying for a license, then payment of fees, preliminary inspection. After a preliminary inspection will be done by BIS. Then after preliminary inspection, they'll be selecting the samples and they'll be asking us to send to BIS laboratories. So sending factory samples. Then after that, it will be evaluated and license will be granted. After that, after grant of license, what is the further work we have to do? This will be covered in today's webinar. So there are some prerequisites needed for getting a license. Like generally, like getting a GST certificate, everything is already available with every one of us. Establishment and factory proof. ROC certificate, partnership deed or proprietary certificate, whatever it is, then address proof, MSME proof. Geotagging. Geotagging is the latitude and longitude. I'll show you how to take those things. Then photo of the owner and Aadhaar card of the owner, top management details and technical person details who are inside the factory. Then process flow chart. This is everybody will be having from raw material to finished goods, how the process, manufacturing process goes on. Then a factory layout. This usually you will be giving it to the inspector of factory. That layout is sufficient, simple layout. Then manufacturing machinery list, what machineries, major machineries you have, and what major testing equipment, raw material, and what casting grades one wants to produce, and marking fee. So the first thing what all of us should note is when we want to use BIS website, it is always better to use with Mozilla Firefox browser. The site has been designed for Firefox, so it is always better to use Firefox browser. If we use Google Chrome or any other browser, there will be some errors that saving and all will not happen, and there are some errors, known issues. So it is always better to go for a Firefox browser. So manakonline.in is the website address. Manak means standard in Hindi. Just input in the URL and the site will get open. In that site, this conformity assessment has to be clicked, the second tab. Then the next one will be, if you click that, this page will open where the login comes. Just click the login. Then a page opens where username, password, and captcha will be coming. In that, a new user has to create an account by clicking here. It's just like any social media thing. So there we have to give an email ID, confirm it with a password, name of the owner, then his date of birth, mobile number, nationality, ID card, what ID card, Aadhaar, PAN, whatever it is. Hint question, something like where were you born, something like that. It's only if you forget a password, a hint question is needed. Then there is a captcha, enter the captcha and press submit button. You will get an email with something like this, Manak online registration success. So if you click the email, the next page opens where you will be getting you are registered successfully. The other thing is after this, we have to go inside again and input our credentials. The one thing we have to very sure is this username has to be preserved. It is something like your PAN number or your GST number. That will not change every time. So we have to preserve that username. Password we can always put forget password and change it. But username once given to a unit cannot be changed. This is an important point people have to understand. If the username is forgotten, then we have to approach the local BIS office for getting it. So once the credentials are given here, the next page opens. All these things, other hallmarking, MSCD, FMCS, other test conformity, these are all not applicable to us. Most of the thing applicable is our product certification. So we have to click the product certification. There we go. This is the page opens. The first thing we have to do is generating a QR code. QR code, everybody knows. So if we click that, this page opens. In that, we have to generate a new QR code, one copy. If you print this, it will be saving as a PDF file. So at a time, 10 QR codes will be generated. So we'll be requiring when we are sending the test samples to our requirements. That's why QR code has to be generated in the beginning itself. So next feature is we have to apply for a new license. So click apply for new license. This page opens. It is similarly all sorts of details like the registration details, factory details, office details. So all these things one by one we have to input. For example, proof of establishment, you can give a GST certificate, it accepts it. It's very easy. It's only a bit time consuming. If you keep all the documents ready, within half an hour, it can be entered. So how to do a geotagging? For example, IIF Delhi address I have taken. So this is IIF Delhi, say something, we'll consider it as a foundry. Near that, if you click, there will be a marker will be coming. Not on the building, near the building. So just go there and click right. If you click right, these coordinates will be coming. This is latitude and this is longitude. Just click on it, right click, you will get a full description, something like this. This can be saved in a Word file and it could be entered in the latitude and longitude. It will be coming latitude and longitude. And here it can be easily entered. So this is called geotagging. So then next page comes, you know, what standard you are going to apply. Say, for example, in our case, it is IS 210. We'll be inputting here. And variety applied is the grade, what you want. Say, for example, FG 200, FG 260. For every grade, you have to create one line. After entering, say, for example, FG 200, you are entering here. You have to put action. If you go plus, next line comes. There you have to enter for another grade. So after completing, it will be further asking the management details. So we have to input who is the owner of the company, like that. The regular details about our factory. Then manufacturing process. This is regular our foundry manufacturing process where we will be having a flow chart. That flow chart can be input in these things. So this is a very simple list of machinery. There will be a next page opens a list of machinery. There will be an Excel sheet which can be downloaded. So approximate date of installation you can put what is the machinery name, what is the make capacity, number of machines. Any remarks about the machine you can put. You need not give all your machines. There will be lot of machines in. Yeah, anybody wants to ask a question? There's a hand being raised. There will be lot of machines. Only major machines, if it is written, it is sufficient. You don't have to give all the machines. Similarly, what all testing equipments you have, this has to be entered here. So that will be having also a Excel sheet, very simple Excel sheet. This is like UTM, Brenner hardness test, spectrometer, whatever the foundry has can be entered. Say it's a very micro level foundry, they don't have UTM, Brenner hardness and all, they'll be having some scale, tape, even that can be entered. It is only to show that they have some testing equipment. It does not need that you have to have all the testing equipment. You can get it subcontracted. So again, there will be some more details requested here in this page, land document or any copy of the document, because the BIS license is given for factory and to show that there is a factory is existing, they will be requiring some more papers. So even a property tax receipt and all, if you can add it, it shows, gives a factory's proof. So only for that purpose they are asking this. Then if we have raw materials, normally iron castings, raw material test reports are not required to be uploaded. If we have some test reports, you can upload the test reports or you can skip this page. It's not compulsory. So you can preview the application. Once you give the category for micro people, it is 80% concession. For small, it is 50% concession in the marking fees and initial fees and all they are giving. So somewhere around for a micro unit, it will be 20 to 25,000 rupees will be the initial amount required. In a small scale industry, it will be about 40,000. And a large scale industry, they will be requiring about 60 to 70,000 rupees. It depends upon the how many grades you select and how it, what all you want. So not more than 60 to 70,000 rupees is required. This is the this fee has to be paid online, and you will be getting a receipt like this. So this is income tax deductible. It's fully deductible in IT, and it's a very valid payment for getting the license. The cost is very minimal only. It's not very expensive. So CGST, SGST will be charged. That you can take ITC, input tax credit can be taken because it's a manufacturing expense. So after that application, after filling, the application will be looking like this. We have to submit this application, and BIS will be contacting for preliminary inspection of the factory. So this is the procedure. So when you open the after sending the application, the screen will be looking like this. Almost all of the letters will be in blue color. So we have to communicate with BIS only through the website. So there is something called communication with BIS. If you click that, BIS, whatever wants to convey to us, they will be giving information through this only. So once you register with Manak Online, every 2 days, if you open up and see it, there'll be, if there is any communication or if anything goes red color will be coming here, or in this 4 squares, red color will be coming. Just click this, they will be giving a description. It's not very difficult. So thank you. This is for the first part of the BIS licensing. So any doubts in this, I will be able to clarify. Anybody wants to ask any doubts in the first part of it?
Yeah, I want to ask on doubt. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's about the BIS. We were using some lithium batteries actually. Okay.
Hmm.
To import the lithium batteries from Europe to India. Whether the BIS, how about the BIS requirements and how to proceed with that?
Sir, you have to find out lithium batteries is coming under which ministry.
Okay.
First of all, you have to identify which ministry it is, which ministry it is coming. After, you have to contact that ministry regarding the imports.
Okay.
If it is coming under mandatory orders, then you have to get an NOC for importing the batteries, sir. No objection certificate. Or else
Okay.
your consignment will come to the port and it will be held there.
Okay.
It's a separate method, sir. It's not connected with BIS licensing.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Sir, this is from Rajmani Industries.
Hello, sir. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, while applying, it will ask brand of the company, brand name of the company.
No brand you can give, sir. No brand. Sir, usually we are all jobbing people, sir. Jobbing foundries. We don't have a brand.
It will ask, sir.
It will ask, sir, you can select no brand. There is an option to select no brand.
There is no option to select, sir, because
No, it is
shows
there, sir. It is there, sir. It is there. You can, there is a drop-down list and in that you can put. Or you can type no brand. It will accept, sir. We have done it.
Okay.
You can put no brand and it is possible to do that, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And again, sir, when during the application process, sir, it will be asking for package details, packaging details.
No, yes, sir. It will ask, sir.
It will ask for package. There you put loose, sir. Actually, we are not selling in package, sir. For example, mineral water bottles are sold as a package of 10 numbers or 12 numbers.
Sir.
But we are all foundry people. We are supplying only in units, that is numbers or in kgs. So in that packaging, we have to enter loose, LOOSE, loose. We are selling in loose, sir. Without packing only we are selling.
Okay, sir. While applying the application, there are 9 steps of different stages. Once you enter all the steps, then if you log out and then if you log in again, the data will erase. Even in first
Sir,
steps also.
that is because you are using Google Chrome browser. Correct, no, sir?
Yes, sir. Even I spoke to him. He was suggested to use Mozilla. Then I
Yes,
have
sir.
tried with Mozilla. Even
Oh.
in Mozilla also same, sir. Even tried many times, sir.
No, sir. Actually, there is no issue with Mozilla Firefox, sir. You do one thing, sir. If you have such issues, try using Edge browser, sir. Microsoft Edge browser. Only two are approved, sir. Mozilla Firefox and Edge browser, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, sir.
So, what is the Windows version you are using, sir?
Windows 10, sir.
Windows 10 is okay, sir. We are also using Windows 10 only. You use
Okay.
Edge browser, sir. Only between these two, it will get saved, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
I'm Dinkar.
Okay.
Regarding the lot size,
Yeah.
how we can decide? If I
Sir,
have
lot
a
size is
2000
lot
kg
size is
furnace,
decided.
I used
sir,
to tap four tappings. Okay.
Correct. Tapping is different, sir, but heat is one no,
Hello?
sir.
I can't
Sir.
hear you clearly.
Sir, are you able to hear me, sir? No?
Now.
Yeah. Sir, actually, heat is one. Melt is one, sir, where you'll be tapping 4 times. Correct, no, sir?
Yeah.
So for you can select one heat or weekly basis one test sample you can select, sir. That is according to your quality plan, sir. Your ISO will be having some quality plan, no? According to your quality plan, you can select it, sir.
Okay. And
That is
one more question.
already defined in your ISO, no, sir. All these things are defined.
One more question. We want some elaboration about the fee structure and the renewal.
Renewal will be every year will be the renewal, sir. You have to pay 72 rupees per ton. That is 7 paisa per kg.
7 paisa per kg.
Per kg, sir. It's very less, sir. It's only 7 paisa per kg.
Okay.
It will be, sir, in the next presentation, I'll be able to show it, sir. I'll show you in the next presentation. It is automatic calculation, sir.
Okay. And you are telling that you have to provide ISI mark on the castings.
No, sir. Compulsorily not, sir. It is only your wish. If you want to provide ISI mark on the casting, you can provide. But it is not compulsory, sir. Only your test certificate should have ISI mark, not the casting.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
You don't have to give, sir, you don't have to put ISI mark on the casting, sir. Definitely. Only if your customer requires, you can put. Otherwise, you can skip, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, hundreds of castings you will be making. Once you put an ISI mark, it becomes the casting when it goes on a machinery, it shows that it is ISI certified. So it is only your choice, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Doctor sir,
No, sir.
Doctor sir, what I would suggest,
you, sir.
I think we can take up the question end of the session, sir.
No, this is the licensing part of it. So I wanted to complete the licensing part of the questions.
Okay, no problem. It's fine.
Yes, sir. Any other questions, sir?
Yes, sir. Hello. Sir, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Tell me,
sir. Sir, we make ferrosilicon and ferroalloy products, sir. Sir, can you kindly suggest NABL certified labs for ferroalloys? We are finding it difficult because BIS gives a stamp that's okay. We are BIS certified only. But this NABL certified labs is making us really, for ferroalloy testing is a difficult task, sir, in India. If you can kindly suggest, it will be great help.
Sir, there is one lab in near Delhi, sir. It's called Spectra Analytical Lab. You can note down the name, sir. Spectra Analytical.
Spectra Analytical.
Yeah.
Some
Spectra Analytical can do it, sir.
Recently, one gentleman came for audit. He suggested some Delhi house or some kind of that.
Yeah, that's what, sir. Spectra Analytical, they are able to test your ferrolyze, sir.
Okay. Thank you,
Or
sir.
you
Thank
have to go to TUV Bangalore. TUV Bangalore will be able to test the ferrolyze.
Yeah, Bangalore is nearer to us. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Can I go to other session, sir?
One question, sir. One question.
Please. Yeah.
Sir, for large scale industries, can we do machining of the test bar in outside facility?
Definitely, sir. You don't have to machine the test bar in-house, sir. You can take it outside, get it machined and test it, sir. It is allowed, sir. It is allowed, sir. Testing, machining of the test bar outside is allowed. Everybody is doing like that only, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah, any other question, sir? I think I'll go for.
Hello?
Yeah,
I think we
tell
can
me.
move on, sir.
Hello?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Sir, in South India, only one lab in, but then nearest lab is only Gujarat, but we don't have any in Bangalore.
In Chennai, there is a lab called Micro Lab.
No,
sir. Only I think I don't know.
No. What he is telling is correct, sir. What Mr. Mutraj is telling is correct. In South, there is only one lab, BIS Chennai lab.
Yes, sir.
We have to send it to Punjab or to Delhi, sir. That is right now. That is a constraint. Is there no new labs are accredited, sir? Nobody has applied for it. Micro lab and all, they are not accredited by BIS, sir. You have to get it tested from BIS accredited lab.
Oh, okay. BA, that is the enable accredited lab. Okay.
No. BIS accredited lab. NABL is different. BIS accreditation is different.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Sir, that list of lab will be coming in the Manakan line, sir. You can go and download it. Yeah.
According to that, only Chennai is the nearest lab. Then except that, we have nearest is Rajkot only.
Offline, don't send the sample to Chennai, sir. It's getting delayed because of their workload. So send it to other labs in other areas, sir. In North India, only courier cost will be extra, sir. It will be fast. They'll be able to give you in 2 weeks.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I will go for the other thing.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, please.
Sir, we have to send the machine sample or casting samples to outside lab for checking.
Sir, you have to share the machined sample, sir.
Machine sample. Okay, thank you, sir.
Machined sample only. You can't share the raw test bar, sir. For example, for gray and castings, it is 30 mm by 300 mm long bar, 30 mm dia, 300 mm long bar, sir. That you have to machine and give, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Not this dimension machine sample we have to send.
You have to give machined bar only, sir. You can't give raw bar.
Okay. No. I am asking for the finished dimension we have to maintain in the machine while machining.
Yes, it is given in the IS 210 standard, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. That I will follow it. Okay.
Yeah, IS 210 standard is free downloading standard, sir. You can download and there will be a drawing for the test bar, sir. That you can do it, sir.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So I'll share the other one. This is after getting the license. Now, there are many people have already got the license. So after getting the license, what we should do is a bigger question. So like when you get a GST certificate, then you have to go for a monthly returns. Like that, BIS also, there is a simple monthly and annual returns. So this I will show you. Again, in this, you have to use only Manak Online and Mozilla Firefox browser. So this is the starting page where you have to go to conformity assessment here. Conformity assessment. If you click that, this page will come. In that, login will be in the top right corner. You have to press login. Then there will be username and password. CAPTCHA, if you enter, you can get inside your portal. So this is product certification we have to click. Then we have to use the view licenses. If you get a license, it will be coming. One license will be there. So click view. It will be showing this page. So in this, the first thing is file production return. And second thing is add consignee details. Add consignee details means to whom you have sold the casting. So this will be coming brand. Somebody was asking what is the brand. Now you can select here other or no brand. It will be drop down will be there. You can select it, sir. So 1st April 2025 to 30th April 2025. How much totally you have produced? AGN, Gray, what all you do in your foundry? What is the total quantity and approximate value? It need not be very accurate value and approximate value of the production cost you can enter. Out of which, what all is covered in IS 210, that is gray and casting, sold inside India. So how much is the production and how much is the value you can. See, there will be something written here, CA certificate. This CA certification is needed only yearly once. For monthly entry, this CA certification is not required. So once you enter here, the value also, if you enter here, the marking fee will come. Marking fee is calculated at 72 rupees per ton. 72 rupees per ton. So if you enter, say for example, 100 tons, it will be in 100 into 72. 7,200 rupees will be the value here. So if you press add return, that month return will add. So only one line works, production return. We have to understand it is for the production and not for the sale. It is compulsorily for the production, not for the sales. And these are the consignee details. Consignee details, if you click it, there will a page will be opening like this, and the one thing will be coming, download consignee master. If you click here, one Excel sheet will download. In that Excel sheet, this is the Excel sheet. This is these are the details we have to fill it up. Brand name, if you go to this cell, there will be no brand we can select. And consignee name, you have to enter address, country, state, district, city, pin code, their telephone number, mobile number, email ID, how much quantity you sold for that month, year and month. So these are the details we have to enter. Every month onwards, we have to enter. That's all, sir. If you enter all these details, save the file. If you upload it, it will get accepted and it will be shown in the portal, sir. Only thing I wish to tell you here, there will be, say for example, if you give a pin code, if I give a Kanchipuram, I mean, if I give Chennai district pin code, it is showing Kanchipuram. Such small things are there, but it's not a problem. Only pin code is, there will be small errors if you enter here because your billing district will be different and what's shown here will be different. Don't worry about it. You just enter it and you save the file. Nothing wrong about it. And the email, mobile and all, you can give their board number you can give, and they'll be having some general email, say for example, info@ashokleyland.com, it will be like that. That ID, if you give, it is sufficient, sir. You don't have to give your BIS ID, exact ID itself. So once you have uploaded everything, everything will be in blue color. This is what you have to observe. If, for example, July month return should be given within August end. If somebody has not given July return, this file production return will be in red color and it will be blinking. So once you enter it, it will turn out to be blue color. So again here add consignee detail also, it will be shown in red color. Red color means you have to enter that detail. That's all. So everyone, it is better to see the Monarch Online website regularly because there will be some instructions and updates from BIS. So that's how they communicate. So I request people to go see at least once a week. You can go through their news events and they'll be scrolling, regular scrolling will be there. Just 5 minutes, you can see it and get yourself updated. So this is what about the monthly returns, sir. It's not very difficult like GST. It's simple returns only. Any more questions, sir? Anybody wants to?
Sir, Rajesh sir from AKP Foundries.
Yeah.
Actually, we produce ductile iron as well as gray iron castings. Okay, and we send it to domestic customers as well as export customers. So our production will be in total like SG and ductile. So in that only total production will be whole thing, and then for gray iron only we have to submit ductile iron casting, right? Sorry, gray iron casting.
Yes, yes, sir. Your total production should be entered, sir.
Total overall, including ductile and whatever.
Yes, yes. That is the foundry production. That is entire production. You have to enter it.
Can we make an Excel sheet and upload the file?
Sir?
No, sir. In that Excel is not there, sir. I'll show you this.
So we have to enter manually.
Sir, it's only one line, sir. There is no need for Excel sheet, sir.
Okay.
See, it's only one line. Why do you need an Excel sheet for simple things?
Okay, fine. Okay.
See, quantity is how much, sir? 1,500 tons means 1,500 you will enter. What is the approximate value? Yeah, approximate production cost you can enter here. Then here you will be entering only IS 210.
Okay, fine.
The IS 210 will be 300 tons means 300 you will enter. So what will be the value? You can decide your value, sir. And you can enter it. Just one line, sir. That's all. It's not very difficult.
Sir, one more thing, sir. This production in this total production, CA is going to certify based on the sales only. And even rejection, whatever is there.
No. CA, sir, the CA is very clear, sir. CA will be certifying only based on your production records.
Records, right?
Yeah, sir. BIS license is very new to us, sir. But for ingots, TMT rods, it is there for so many years. So CA knows very well that it has to be certified only for the production.
No, but how it is, sir? In record C, we enter overall production rate, but since there are hardly 5 to 10% rejection also will be there. How is that going to be calculated?
Sir, you have to give only, including rejections only you have to, sir. Production is only that, sir. Or you can take less rejections, you can take it as produced.
Okay.
That you have to convince your CA, sir. Sir, this and all CAs understand, sir.
CA is understanding, sir, but the person who is coming for auditing, so he will be making some.
No, sir. Auditor will go through only CA certificate, sir. Finished, sir.
Now recently, sir. Actually, we have got certified last year only, and this year we went into recertification, means renewal also.
Yes.
So after renewal, means in between, after 6 months after licensing, a person they have given subcontracting from some other parties. The person is coming to audit here.
Yes.
So he will be raising some this kind of issues.
What issues they are raising, sir?
There's only production is there to this much. Then you are the total.
No, sir. They don't have
you are
rights,
not considered.
Sir, you be very clear with them, sir. That is annual returns, sir. Annual returns, they cannot claim anything, sir. That is in excess only they are doing, sir. You don't entertain such people, sir. If you have any issues, sir, you go to your local BIS office and make a complaint on them.
We already did it, but just I wanted to get it
no,
from
sir,
you.
They don't, sir, they don't have any rights, sir. They only know surveillance audit is a totally different subject, sir. They have only out. They will come and check your records. They will come and take your factory samples and they will send it for testing, sir. Only that much rights they have, sir. They cannot come and say you have declared it low, you have declared it high. That and all are not in their purview, sir. You can clearly tell them, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Hello. Sir,
Yeah.
why it is only applicable for IS 210? Why not for 1865?
Sir, if you want, we can get it done very fast, sir. Actually, government is pushing that also, sir. But there are many issues, many foundries are needing time. So they have delaying it, sir.
Can you do it later?
Sir, it is in the
Okay.
BIS will be bringing 1865 also inside QCO, sir. It's in the second stage, sir.
Okay.
Definitely it will come, sir. Definitely it will come.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
We are paying for IS 210.
Yes,
then
sir.
we have to calculate on the gray iron production only or SG iron also?
Sir, for IS 210 gray iron castings, you have to calculate only for gray iron casting sold inside India. Export is exempt.
Okay, thank you. Thank
Say,
you.
for example, 1,000 tons gray iron is made this month, out of which 400 tons is export. You have to pay license fee only for 600 tons.
Okay.
Very clear, sir.
Okay,
very
thank
clear.
you.
For exports, no need of BIS certificate, sir.
No need, sir. For export, no need of BIS certification, sir.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Sir.
Sir, we are providing test means our castings to machine shop. They are doing machining and they provide it maybe let it be 40% in India and 60% outside. But those information is not with us. In that case, what should we do?
I'll refine your question. You are selling to a customer who is making domestic sale and export. This is correct, no, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes. We
Sir,
don't know what is
sir,
the
indirect, sir, exemption is there only for direct export. For indirect export, it is not exempted. See, you are giving to a person in India. That means it's a domestic sale. He sells to export is not your problem, sir. Where you are giving to a domestic person only. So 100% of it has to be covered, sir.
Hello?
Yeah.
We are doing aluminum castings, PDC and GDC, along with ferrous castings.
Okay.
Can we apply the same at a time, or once we get a certification from ferrous, then to apply later? Is
Sir,
it required?
You can apply two licenses, sir. One is for IS 210 and one is for IS 613.
IS 613.
Yes.
Is it required for aluminum, sir? Is it mandatory?
Yes, it is required, sir. It is required.
One second,
mandatory, sir.
Sir, this is Mallikarjun.
Sir,
casting manufacturing, not ingot or anything else.
Okay. Yes, it is there, sir. It is there. I will show you, sir. One moment.
Okay, right, sir. There
it is definitely there, sir.
Okay, right,
I
sir.
showed you, no? 1 minute.
Hello, sir.
You can see, sir.
Hello.
You can see all aluminum ingots and castings. It is coming, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry, IS 617. I told you number wrongly. It is 617. Yes.
Okay. Aluminum.
Senthil sir, can I come in? Chandrasekhar here.
Hello.
Beg your pardon, sir?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, I am Chandrasekhar here. Can I come in?
Yeah, tell me, sir. Yeah,
Sir, I have a small query. BIS licensing is required for local supplies, but not for export. What is the logic behind excluding for exports? Because it has to be more stringent when you're exporting.
Exports are sold in their country's standards, sir. So for that standards, BIS cannot certify, sir. That is the reason exports are exempt, sir. Say, for example, you are selling to America, it will be sold in ASTM standards. So for ASTM, they cannot certify, no, sir. That is the reason it is exempt, sir.
Okay. Great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is Narayan from India Pistons. I just have a question. We are manufacturing pistons for various automobile applications, which is made of aluminum alloy. As a product, is piston covered under the BIS requirements? Sir, I know for alloys that we purchase, BIS is required, and all my suppliers have already got the BIS license for the supplies that they are making to us as raw material. As a finished product, which is made of aluminum alloy, under 8409 HSN, do this require a BIS, sir?
Sir, there are 5 categories, sir. In that 5 categories, if you are covered, it is needed, sir.
Okay, I need to check whether it is covered or not.
Yes, you have to take an you have to check with BIS, sir.
Okay, the information should be available in the website and all, right, sir? Am I right?
Yes, sir. Because BIS is not HSN based, sir. You may have to consult with BIS officer.
Oh, okay.
We talk, because we are very much connected with GST. All of us have become HSN and all we are talking, sir. But BIS is the oldest organization in India, sir. In 1947, it was started. And they are not, the BIS standards are not connected with the HSN code, sir.
No, but why I raised the HSN is mainly because import of many of the items are being withheld by customs, particularly from China. Whatever we import, people in customs are putting a spoke and they are insisting on a BIS certificate whether it is required or not. And we have to run from pillar to post to get all these things released.
Yes.
Ultimately end up paying demurrage and detention charges. So I somehow personally feel there is lack of clarity with the officers of customs in allowing such clearances. So we'll have to really fight it out and get.
Sir, actually, you are correct, sir. DGFT, customs, BIS are all government officers. There is a slight gap in these things, sir. But they are trying to bridge it, sir. I have talked with those people and they are educating, BIS is educating this customs department and it's happening, sir. It is a lot more better, sir, than 2023, sir.
Correct. It is getting better. Absolutely right.
It is getting better, sir. Sir, too many products, sir. Too many products.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the clarity, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
We are making castings and within them we are also machining some of them. And some of them also we are doing heat treatment.
Okay.
In this case, how many certificate we need to take?
One certificate, sir. One certificate.
With or without heat treatment, there is no changes.
Sir, in the during the certification, sir, you can select one, say for example, FG260. For example, I will tell you. If FG260, you have to get grade approval for without heat treatment and with heat treatment. There will be 2 categories, sir. If heat treatment is involved, there will be 2 categories. If heat treatment is not involved, it will be 1 category, sir. License will be 1. In that, grade selection will be 2. FG260 heat treated. Like that, they'll be giving like that, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
After 1 year also, 90 days also over. Now our BIS has cancelled. How to renew it? Because we are in confusion that whether we have to pay for marking or the total production. This is our confusion.
See, after expiry of 1 year, there will be 90 days grace period, sir. Before expiry of 1 year, by 9 months, 10 months itself, you will be getting alert from BIS, sir. They'll be sending you mails. They'll be calling up and telling to renew the product. So within that time, you have to go and do the renewal, sir. If we are not renewing, after 90 days, the license gets expired. So you have to start fresh. The old license will be cancelled and we have to start like a fresh unit only we have to start, sir. Sir, license getting cancelled is a very serious issue, sir. It is having very serious consequences. So don't allow that to happen, sir. Renewal process is only very simple, sir. You have to get a CA certificate, upload it, pay the marking fee. Even paying the marking fee, sir, initially you will be paying some 25,000 rupees or so, like advance they will be collecting, sir. That 25,000 rupees will be reduced in your current year's marking fee. Only balance you have to pay, sir. It is automatic calculation. So please don't allow the license to get cancelled or expired, sir. It is very serious amounts.
Good afternoon, sir. Harish here.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
So can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you, sir. Yeah.
Sir, BIS certification is for IS 210 based product. IS 210. Sir, for products, is it required to take separate BIS certifications, or is it a general one? Like for manhole covers, now it became mandatory.
What sort of products, sir?
So suppose it is manhole cover, sir. We are
manhole
producing
cover is separately covered, sir. It is not IS 210. It is some other thing, sir.
So again, for that we have to take a separate BIS certification.
Yes, it is IS 1726, sir. Manhole cover is IS 1726.
For that again, we have to apply for the separate certification.
Yes. It will be a separate license, sir.
With the same procedure.
With the same procedure, sir.
Okay, understood. Thank you, sir.
Sir, it will become very easy for you, sir. Once you start
now I understand, sir. Actually, when seeing the website on the first time, it will be very complicated. Now we feel
no,
like
it's not like that, sir. For my unit, I did myself only, sir. I'm a small scale industry, and I did myself, sir. Learned it myself and did it, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Sir, in Monaco online, software after add consistent detail to add in every month, sir. To put the data.
Yes, sir. Every month you have to add, sir.
Every month.
Every month,
okay.
Sir.
Due to sir, starting 2 months only the blink the add consistent data. That after a month is not see the blink letters. Only in blue color add consistent data is only showing.
Sir,
that one
come after the month end it will come, sir. Say for example, sir, July month detail you have to add within August 31st, sir. So if you don't add means from September 1st onwards it will start red color. It will show in red color.
Okay. In the same also file production return and pay advance marking fees.
Sir, advance marking fee you don't have to pay, sir. You can pay after 1 year, sir. Only if it is very huge. If you wish you want to pay some money because some people are paying 15 lakhs and all. So they would like to pay something in advance. So for them, for giving a facility they have given, marking fee is only yearly once, sir.
Yearly once. Okay.
Yearly once, yes.
Okay, thank you.
So only 7 paisa, sir. It's very less.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, this is from Rajmani Industries. We are supplying castings to our sister concern. It means head office. That is also Rajmani Industries. And GST number is the same for both units. And from our head office, they are supplying parts to out of countries. Assembly parts with assembled. See, we are supplying pairs casting. Then they are manufacturing assembled some coolant pumps, and then they are selling to abroad, US like that. But then can we pay fees to for castings, or they have to pay and our from head office?
Sir, that means it is the same company.
Same company,
which makes some product.
Yes, sir.
And that product is getting exported. Correct, no, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In that case, you don't need, sir.
You don't need.
You don't need, sir.
But our GST number is the same for both units, sir.
Sir, it is the same unit, sir. It is the same management which is manufacturing a product. Yes. So that product is using iron casting. So there is no need, sir. No need, sir.
No need. Okay.
But you have to explain it to the BIS if they come and ask.
Okay, sir.
Yes, to export
Yeah.
material.
Oh, the exam.
Anything else, sir?
Q&A session is going. Sir, any other questions?
Sir, I'm Janan PDMax from PDMax, sir. In Monaco online software, sir, and last 5 points upload manufacturing process flow chart, upload layout plan factory. I need to apply that one, sir. Apply
Definitely,
flow chart.
sir. You have to establish that you have a factory. So, to establish how BS will know that you have a manufacturing facility, you have to give factory layout, you have to give process.
Sir, all
Sir,
are
it's all
available,
simple,
sir.
sir. It is already available with you, sir. Your factory will be
Available,
certified.
sir. We need to upload this Monaco online, sir, software.
Yes, it is compulsorily needed. Even if you don't upload, in the preliminary inspection, they will come and ask, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Thank you.
actually, I'll tell you, sir, learning how to do all these things will be maybe 2 hours, 3 hours you have to spend, sir. BAS people, if they come, they will take minimum 3 to 4 hours to again upload all these things, sir. They will ask you again.
Okay. Already, sir, before starting apply time, I'm upload the all materials, sir. Like layout, factory, manufacturing list, testing equipments list. So now grander license certificate of conformity, sir. That area, so again upload manufacturing process flow chart.
Sir, once it is already uploaded, sir. If you see view license பாத்தீங்கன்னா அதுக்குள்ள வந்து இருக்கும் சார் இது எல்லாமே இருக்கும். So you don't have to upload it again, sir.
Okay. அதான் okay. இப்போ again update பண்ண வேண்டாம்
ஒரு டைம் அப்லோட் பண்ணா போதும் சார்.
Okay, thanks.
Anybody wants to ask in Kannada also, I'm fluent, so I'll be able to tell answers in Kannada too.
Any questions?
ಸರ್ ರಾಜಮನೆಯಿಂದ
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ ಈಗ ನಾವು ರಾಜ್ಕೋಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಪೀಸಸ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಟೆನ್ಸೈಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಸರ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಾ ಸರ್?
ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡ ಸರ್. ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡ ಸರ್. ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಅವರು BS ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಂತೆ, ನೀವು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಗ್ರೇನ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, ಎಜ್ಎನ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಸರಿ ಸರ್. ಈಗ
ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ತಕೊಂಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಸೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಸೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬಂದು ಅವರು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಬೇಡ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಸೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್, ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನಫ್ ಸರ್.
ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಲ್ಸ್ಬೇಡ ಸರ್. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಸರ್. ಹೌ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ 1 ton 2 ton casting sir, they cannot take it to the lab. So hardness testing is done only in the factory. Factory by the BIS people. It is not done. It is not done by hardness cannot be certified by lab, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಅದ್ರ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾರ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಸಾಕು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಬಂದಿದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಶೂರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ?
ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ಸರ್. ಅದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅದು.
Sir, good evening, sir. Senthil, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, good evening. Another நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா?
நல்லா இருக்கேன் sir.
Sir, சொல்லுங்க sir.
We are outsourcing some parts, sir. Finally, it goes to export. Whether we need to pay for that outsourced this also, IS 210.
Sir, outsourcing means what, sir?
Casting,
you are buying castings.
Buying casting.
Who is the manufacturer, sir?
Local.
Right.
Other company.
That fellow has to get, sir.
He got it, but they are charging for this one. BIS certification process cost like this.
No, that they make, that makes it. That is commercial part of it, sir. Okay. Actually, when you buy castings, the obligation is only for the manufacturer, sir.
Okay.
So your supplier is the manufacturer. You are not the manufacturer. So he has to get a BIS license.
Okay, sir. Okay.
For him, it is a domestic sale, no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Only for you, it's an export sale. For him, it's a domestic sale. So he has to get BIS license.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. This side Ankur from Delhi. Sir, this question is related to if during a surveillance audit, if our sample is failed at the BIS lab, then what is the process to close that NC?
Sir, BIS people will come and make a factory testing, sir. In your factory, they will test it, sir. You will be having counter sampling. Sir, during a surveillance audit, you will be sending 3 test bars. You will be holding 3 test bars. Correct, no, sir? 6 test bars they will ask. 8 test bars they will ask. So out of 8 test bars, 2 test bars will be tested. And 6 test bars will be remaining. So 3 will be sent to BIS lab. 3 will be held by you. You have to retain that. That test bar they will come and test. If that is passing means your surveillance audit is passed, sir.
But in case the test bar which I have sent to their lab, if that is failed, and
no problem,
I
sir.
Update at
no
website.
problem, sir. Even if it is fails, you have counter samples. That counter sample should not fail.
Okay, means I have to again resubmit the sample to their lab?
No, they will come back to you and do factory testing, sir. You will be having 3 test bars with you, sir. 1 set of test bars is 3 numbers, sir. 1 set will be sent to BIS lab. 1 set you will be holding in your custody. That will be tested by BIS and it will be decided, sir. Whether they will test with your machine or they will send it for retesting, they have to take a decision, sir. They will take a decision and accordingly only decision will be given, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we are producing casting for many customers. So during consigned upload means updation, do we need to update as per consigning? Means let customer 1, customer 2, customer 3 like that?
Yes, like that. Yes, you have to. You have to, sir.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, I'm from, again, I have a doubt, sir. We have been certified for a particular size of ferrosilicon, sir. 42. That was the initial about 5 years before when we got the certification. But that size we are not selling. Other sizes we are selling. But at the time of selling, I mean, production we are entering. Production we are this size, this much production we are doing like that. But as regards uploading monthly return is concerned, because sales is done in different sizes, 25 to 150 and different sizes as per the customer's requirement. So 40 to 150 or 40 to whatever size which we were given the certification, that is not at all saleable because our customers want different sizes. So how do we enter this in the monthly returns or
Sir, what you are manufacturing is only you have to enter, sir, not what you are selling. Say, for example, for example, I'll tell you, sir, you are making a 1 meter long rod. For example, cast iron rod, you are making 1 meter long rod. That you are cutting and selling.
Correct.
Correct, no, sir. This is what. So, how is it manufactured? 1 meter rod is manufactured. For that, you have to enter, sir. How many 1 meter rods? How many kilos?
Yes, sir.
If that is entered, it's sufficient, sir. Sale and production are different, sir. BIS is for the production. It's not for sales.
Okay. Okay. You have any doubt? You can ask it. No. Huh? Nothing. Eh? Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Clear, no, sir?
Yeah. Clear, sir. Clear. Because recently one gentleman for auditing, he came surveillance. He was saying you can put marking 0. You can whatever you are selling, that also like that. I was trying to say.
No. There is many myths and there are a lot of confusions done by the surveillance auditors, sir. But it is very clear, sir. Whatever manufacturing, you have to enter the detail. That's all, sir. It's very simple, sir.
Very simple. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Selling details not required. Okay. That's
selling
clear,
detail
sir.
not required, sir.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
The good analogy you have given. 1 meter rod we are manufacturing. In that we are 100 mm like that we are selling somewhere else. That's okay. Only 1 meter rod only we'll be declaring. Okay.
BIS is concerned only about your production, sir, not about selling.
Okay, that's clear, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
But then what about the rejected castings? We are not selling it. It is only
sir, you fill up, sir, production after rejections only you fill it up, sir. This is one concession you can take on your own, sir. Sir, whatever for good castings is you consider as produced. For the bad castings, it is not considered as production. So only for good castings, you are going to enter production detail. Sir, rejected casting is what, sir? It is scrap, no, sir? Correct, no, sir?
Yes.
So for scrap, why you want to pay?
So I think we have a very lengthy Q&A session. Gentlemen, any other questions? Chandrasekhar sir, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, can you please give a vote of thanks so that we can.
Yeah, it's quite a long session and
very, a lot of questions are coming.
To have so many questions asked by all our attendees today. Sir, good evening, all of you, and good evening to
Chandrasekhar sir is Bangalore chapter secretary. He would give you the vote of thanks.
Yeah, I think I should have introduced myself. Sorry. Good evening. I am giving this vote of thanks in my capacity as honorary secretary of IIF Bangalore chapter. And good evening once again to our guest speaker, Dr. C.B. Senthilkumar, sectional committee member and MD of Bluemount Castings. In your talk, it was quite encouraging, inspiring to see how you are emphasizing the need for compliance and the mandatory statutory requirement for iron and aluminum castings to avoid subsequent non-compliance complications, and also about procedures about obtaining and renewing a BIS license, amongst other information. Both the sessions were quite useful, having seen so many questions around. And we also appreciate you patiently answered each and every query that was posed upon you. I also thank our IIF Chairman, Chennai Chapter Chairman, Mr. Senthilkumar, Secretary, Mr. Rajmohan, our IIF Bangalore Chairman, Mr. Padmanabh, all other office bearers, and the team that has hosted this webinar for conceiving this very important topic about BIS licensing and BIS monthly returns filing. I extend my thanks to each and every person who has attended this today. Hope the information shared will be of benefit to each one of you to be compliant and competitive and be able to sustain in the market condition. I would also like to thank our annual sponsors, platinum sponsors, IIPM, Batter, diamond sponsors like Bhartiya Nagpur, Forest Polymers, Fosico, Goel, MMPL, Snam Casting, Star, Bentonite Exports, gold category sponsors like Allied Refractory, Breaks India, Foundrymen, Leviosa, Shriram Enterprises, silver sponsors ACI Automation, Natul Chemicals, Ask Chemicals, HA Group, SAC, SQ Group, Rhodium Ferroalloys, Vishwashanti Merchandise. Thanks for your sponsoring, sir. Without your support, I don't think such programs are possible. So as we come to an end of the webinar, thanks once again, all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Senthil, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Wonderful session, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.